a comprehensive guide to trading on Robinhood and Coinbase. Trading has become a prominent way for individuals to grow their wealth. With platforms like Robinhood and Coinbase, access to financial markets is now at your fingertips. These platforms cater to different audiences and offer a variety of tools to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, and more. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essentials of trading on both platforms, covering their strengths, weaknesses, and a step-by-step process to maximize your experience. Robinhood is a trading platform primarily focused on stocks, ETFs, and options. Known for its user-friendly interface, it offers commission-free trades and access to a wide range of financial instruments. Coinbase, on the other hand, is a cryptocurrency exchange designed for digital asset enthusiasts. It provides a secure and intuitive interface for buying, selling, and holding cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Both platforms aim to simplify trading for beginners while providing enough tools for more experienced traders. While Robinhood specializes in traditional financial instruments, Coinbase is your go-to for crypto trading. Robinhood? Go to Robinhood website, robinhood.com. Sign up, download the app, or visit the website. Create an account using your email and a strong password. Verification. Provide personal information like your Social Security number, SSN, and proof of identification to comply with regulatory requirements. Funding your account. Link a bank account to deposit funds. Robinhood allows instant deposits for faster trading. Coinbase. Go to Coinbase website www.coinbase.com. Create an account. Go to the Coinbase website or app, use a valid email, and create a secure password. Identity verification. Submit a government-issued ID to verify your identity. Connect payment methods. Link your bank account, debit card, or other payment methods to fund your crypto wallet. Robinhood interface. Home screen. Shows your portfolio balance and daily performance. Search bar. Look up stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies. Trade button. Used to buy or sell assets. Newsfeed. Provides updates about the market and specific companies. Dashboard. Displays your portfolio value and recent transactions. Buy-Sell tab. Quickly access cryptocurrency transactions. Learn section. Educational content to better understand cryptocurrencies. Advanced Trade. Offers detailed charts and market data for experienced users. Both platforms are designed to minimize complexity, making them ideal for newcomers. Robinhood, trading stocks and ETFs. Search for an asset. Use the search bar to find the stock or ETF you want to trade. Analyze the chart. View price trends and other key statistics to make an informed decision. Place an order. Market order. Buys or sells at the current market price. Limit order. Sets a specific price at which you're willing to buy or sell. Confirm the trade. Enter the number of shares and review your order. Click Submit to execute the trade. Coinbase, trading cryptocurrencies. Choose a cryptocurrency. Navigate to the Buy-Sell tab and select the digital asset you wish to trade. Review the price chart. Assess the coin's historical and current performance. Buy or sell. Market buy. Instantly purchases at the current price. Limit buy. Allows you to set a price you're comfortable paying. Confirm your order. Specify the amount you want to buy or sell. Review the transaction fees and finalize the trade. Start small, especially if you're a beginner. Begin with small amounts to minimize risk. Research thoroughly. Use the news and educational resources on both platforms to stay informed. Diversify. Avoid putting all your funds into one stock or cryptocurrency. Diversify across different assets to reduce risk. Set goals and limits. Know when to take profits and set stop-loss orders to minimize losses. Avoid emotional trading. Stick to your strategy and don't let market swings dictate impulsive decisions. Robinhood. Pros. Commission-free trading. Access to a variety of financial instruments. Easy-to-use interface. Fractional shares allow investing with small amounts. Cons. Limited research tools. Controversial order flow practices. Coinbase. Pros. Industry leader in cryptocurrency security. Extensive range of cryptocurrencies. Educational tools to earn while you learn. Simple for beginners with advanced options available. Cons. High fees compared to competitors. Limited customer service options. Robinhood offers options trading, enabling users to bet on price movements with greater leverage. This is ideal for experienced traders but risky for beginners. Coinbase Pro, an advanced version of Coinbase, provides professional trading tools like detailed order books, charting, and lower fees for high-volume trades. Traders can use stop-loss and take-profit orders to automate strategies. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Use strong passwords. Avoid using the same password across platforms. Beware of scams. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or sharing your account details. Monitor your accounts. Regularly check transactions for unauthorized activities. Both Robinhood and Coinbase have built-in security features, but it's crucial to stay vigilant. Robinhood and Coinbase have revolutionized trading by offering user-friendly platforms for different market segments. Robinhood excels in stock trading with its commission-free model, while Coinbase is perfect for those diving into cryptocurrency. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can confidently begin your trading journey. Remember to research, stay disciplined, and manage risks effectively. Whether you're trading stocks or cryptocurrencies, the key to success is continuous learning and adapting to market trends. Happy